I'm so happy today, and the reason of my happiness is we have installed new Jio Fiber in our house. I thought to share my happiness with you all. You can see this, now I'm in my balcony and you can see this optical fiber cable that has come to my room through my window, and this is the power plug, and from this power cable has gone to my room. Now let's move to my room and see the Jio Fiber setup. Now inside the room, this is the Jio Fiber device, and this is the converter. The Jio Fiber device has been wall mounted in my room, and this is the converter that has been pasted in the wall. You can also keep it in a shelf as per your convenience. You can keep it anywhere. The device is not much big. Now I will tell you the story why I have installed this Jio Fiber and what are the documents required and what are the plans they have. For last few days I was seeing that Jio Fiber connections are coming through the electric pole in our neighborhood. So in my apartment also they have fixed a poster regarding their promotions. I have found the Jio contact person number from the poster and thought to give him a call. So when I called the person, he asked me the location of my apartment and visited my house within an hour. The Jio contact person visited my house, told me regarding the features of the JioFi, the documentation required and the amount I need to pay. He told me that I need to give them my address proof, so I gave them my Aadhaar card. They took my photo as well, and after that a payment link has come to my registered mobile number. I did an online payment of 1500 for this Jio Fiber connection, and now 1 month is free. After 1 month, means after 30 days, I have to recharge again this difference. The Jio contact person asked me what will be my favorable time for the installation team to come and install the device. They would come today evening or tomorrow morning, but I was super excited, so I told them that they can come after 4 o'clock in the evening anytime. And the installation team came in the evening. Prior to coming, they called me and confirmed the appointment as well. The installation took around 40 to 45 minutes. The installation has been done taking cable from my nearest electric pole. While documentation, the Jio Fiber representative also informed me that if I am not happy with the service, I can also return the device within 30 days, and I will be having a full refund of this 1500 amount without any question asked from their side. And anytime after 1 month, if I return the device, I will get a refund of 500 rupees only, as they will be deducting 1000 as an installation charges. Now see, this is the Jio Fiber router. This has been wall mounted in my room. You can keep it any shelf, any table or wherever you want, because it is very slick in design and it looks also very beautiful. In one side it has a power connection, 2 USB port, 4 RJ45 port and 1 RJ11 port, and above that it has 2 switches, one for power and one for restarting the router. On the other side, it has a indicator button, and the indicator blinks green if the router is working fine. It blinks as red if the router is taking any update or the router is not working, and if there is a power failure or any power cut, or you have accidentally switched off the power button, the indicator will not glow. Along with this setup, they has given me 2 cables. One is a RJ45 cable and one is a RJ11 cable. Now this RJ45 cable is to connect your other devices of your house, your computer or any other router if you want to connect. And you must be wondering why this RJ11 cable has been given and the RJ11 port is also there. I will show it to you. If you with this JioFi connection, Jio is also giving you a permanent landline number. Through JioCall app, you can do unlimited calling from that number. And if you have a spare landline phone, any phone, any base phone, I must say, if you have any spare base phone, or you can buy any base phone and you can convert it as your landline, as your fixed number as well. So the RJ11 cable will go in the one side of the router like this, and on the other side of the telephone you can insert this RJ11 cable and it will work as your landline connection. Now coming to the Jio Fiber plans, they have 4 monthly plans. One is 399, one is 699, one is 999 and one is 1499. With all this amount, there will be an 18% of GST added in the final amount to be paid. Now you must be thinking, what are the difference between these packs? The difference is into the internet speed. In 399 they have 30 Mbps speed, in 699 pack they have 100 Mbps speed, in 999 pack they have 150 Mbps speed, and in 1499 pack they have 300 Mbps speed. All these packs from 399 to 1499 they have unlimited voice calling, and in 999 and 1499, in these two higher version of the recharge, they have some OTT apps free too. OTT app subscription free too. Now this JioFiber router box also comes into two options. One is 1500 and one is 2500. I have taken the only router version, that is 1500, the amount I paid. Now if you pay 2500, you will get a set-top box as well along with a remote. And since I have a smart TV, I thought that I can connect my TV through this JioFi only. I have unlimited internet in this JioFi, so that will be more than sufficient for us. So I didn't take the 2500 option. If you wish to take the set-top box as well, you can go for the 2500 option. In My Jio app, in the device section, you can see this router as well, and you can change the name, set the password, block user, do recharge, set auto debit as per your convenience. All these things are just a click away in My Jio app. Here I am doing the live speed test of the first band, that is 2.4 GHz band. One speed test has been done in Ookla app and the another speed test has been done in First.com. This is the second live speed test of 5G band. This also has been done in Ookla and First.com. See the results. On the other room, I have a Samsung Smart TV. Here I am connecting my JioFi with my Smart TV. I went to the settings and then selected the wireless option, and after selecting my JioFi from the list, I connected my TV with my JioFi, and it is running very smooth. All the apps were pre-uploaded in my TV. So here I am playing my own channel in the YouTube. Last week itself I disclosed that we will be having a giveaway in this month. So this is the first week of December, and today I will be disclosing the gifts and the terms and conditions of the giveaways. First I will be telling you about the gifts, because I know everybody must be excited that what will be the gifts. I will be choosing two winners based on. Since lockdown, my husband is working from home. I am uploading videos in YouTube. My son is doing online classes. Till now, we were managing through mobile data itself. But now I am very happy that we have installed this JioFi, and as of now we all are very happy. Our work is going on decently. I have given you the speed test as well. I will again come up with a long-term review of this after using this for few months. Till then, stay tuned. Friends, don't forget that our giveaway contest is also going on. It is on till 20th of December. Click on the I button to see the detailed giveaway video. Also, the giveaway rules has been given in the below description box. And if you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Lifestyle by Shudeshnas. Thank you.